All right, this is a 12-foot heavy-duty 2-person hammock that was sent to me by ANOW to sample. It's got a 450-pound capacity. It was extremely easy to set up. I think it took me less than 5 minutes to put together, which I will show you how to do that really quick. But yeah, here's everything. As you can see, high quality here. I'm in Oklahoma. It's windy, so this thing's flopping around on me a little bit. Got a little cushion here for your head. So I'll go ahead and show you how to set it up here really quick. All right, so this is the hammock before it is assembled. And as you can see, there's only a few pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the pieces of hardware. And then you have the actual hammock itself. So let's go ahead and put this together. I don't expect it to be too complicated. Looks like everything just snaps together. No tools needed. You have the 2 pieces here. And then you have the center crossbar. Nice relaxing day, sun's in my eyes. But yeah, this is nice. What did that take, like 5 minutes to put together? All right, I'm going to bed. I'll see you guys next time.